Hello, this is Neri Omar, and today I'm making a video, very casual video, no makeup. Going to unbox with you Dior. I put it in my VIP gift from Dior. I love it. It's very nice. Toile de Jouy. Every day I'm saying I want to do it, and hey, you have to see me as well, au naturel like that. And I'm not going to edit it or smooth my skin or something. You will see the whole deal. Neri Omar, au naturel. I made another part. The first part, it was about Chanel, and I put little bit Victoria Beckham products. And today it will be all dedicated to Dior because I have a lot. I think I have a lot. Because this is since August I'm buying stuff. I have them now, and let's start. Without any order, I will grab from the bag. I bought that cheapest beauty gift. I want to buy the, everybody see the pouch. I love it. Stop here. I love it, guys. Very cute. Anyway, I want to have mascara from Dior because I don't have any. When I do the makeup tutorial, I use my samples. I thought, hey, Neri, buy a full size. Really, like, so be easy to clean. I will not open it now, guys. And the base, but let me try it. This is another VIP gift jewelry pouch. This is cute. Here for the earrings, and here the rings. This in your around the world, I think. Yeah, it's so cute. I can definitely use it. Okay, let's open the goodies. I forgot what did I have for goodies. Dior. To Oxy treatment, the serum. We'll try them. I think this is new line from Dior, I think. 2 pouches. I have this cute one too, and I put all what I bought here. I love the pouch. I bought 1 mono eyeshadow, 280 Lucky Clover satin. I was debating with this years, and I said to myself, Neri, buy it. I bought it. You know me, I love single eyeshadows. I know that they are expensive, but they are very good qualities. The new packaging. It's green, of course, you know me with the green. Gorgeous. I didn't have at all mascara, and now I have 2 mascaras. The iconic Overcurl. I don't want to open it, guys, but this is the same. I love the curvy one. And I don't have any eye pencil. I decided to buy one. Diorshow Stylo number 771 matte taupe. You know that I love anything cool tone. This is the one. Pencil looks nice. The number is here. Like purplish little bit. What do you think? But I love it. It's very smooth and soft. Hope it will be in the eyes the same. Wow. And it's set very fast. If it's set, it won't go anywhere, which is good. Forever Blush Soft Filter in Hibiscus. You know, I am Egyptian and we drink hibiscus a lot. I love the color of it. But I think I have to be very careful when I apply it because I think it's so, wow. It's so tense, maybe. I love the packaging. I love the smell too. Oh, very soft, guys, very soft. Wow, this is nice. I didn't expect that. This is easy. I bought only one. I don't know what do I expect. What did I expect? But this is very, 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 very nice. The Miss Dior, the big Miss Dior letters. It was one limited edition Daring Lilac, 850. I decided to buy it. However, any kind of lilac or any kind of light shades, especially in my eyes, it doesn't show, but this one I couldn't resist it. This one. And by the way, I didn't buy the beige one or the black one. I bought only the shocking pink, and I made a very nice makeup tutorial. I will put the link down below for you. It ended up very nicely. And this is my second one, but I was not that crazy. Don't know if you can see the shimmer. I love it. It's very hard to see. I know my skin tone. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and push the notification button so you'd know when I will have the new video out. I bought Forever Nude Radiant Filter in 00 Luminescent. I think I will use all that in one makeup tutorial, guys. It's hard to see it in the camera. It's hard. I love the smell. It's very fresh smell. I'm so excited about this. The Rouge Dior on stage. I bought two. 226 Daring Blush Shine and 550 Red Shock Shine. I can't wait to open them and use them. This is Daring Blush. So shiny. I love shiny lips. Daring Blush. 226. 550 Red Shock Shine. You know me, I have to buy red. Oh, I love the packaging. Daring Blush, and this is Red Shock. Wow, I can't wait to try them, guys. I love the packaging. I love the bullet. I am so excited. This is my second purchase from the Dior Solid Perfume. My first one, it's Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This is J'adore or J'adore, the holiday packaging, which I couldn't resist it. Can you see that? You tell me. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It's very light, easy to travel with. Yeah, and here there is stitches. Oh, gorgeous. And here, the CD. I'm done, guys. It was, as I told you, very casual. I hope you enjoyed my beauty unboxing with you, and please push the notification button so you will be notified when I have a new video. Please don't forget to watch part 1. It is Chanel, mainly Chanel, and few products from Victoria Beckham. It's good stuff too, and I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a huge thumb up to support my channel. Bye guys. Thank you.